The sun creates so much life, spreading warmth all across our planet. It is a love that surrounds us, seen through every living thing, and it is a love that lights up our lives and our dreams, bringing light to the darkest nights, bringing us serenity. It is a beauty so breathtaking it can only be described as magic. My name is Ivy, and I am the creator behind this project. I am deeply inspired by the beauty that is all around us, the magic of life. Through my creations, I want to celebrate all the beautiful souls that walk this earth with me, all living under the light of the sun, each adding our own unique sparkle to this world. The Sun, Moon, and Stars collection is created with high-quality materials that shine as brightly as the celestial bodies themselves. Made using Gold Vermeil, a thick plating of 18 karat gold on top of sterling silver for durability and everyday wear, AAA grade white sapphire for long-lasting brilliance and spark that matches the stars, clear quartz to cleanse the soul and raise your vibration, and black agate, a gemstone known to clear your body of negative thoughts and energy, so that you can shine brightly as you, a magical being emanating your own unique light into this world. Thank you for sharing your light with me.